be the first to admit that I love a good YouTube video or a Facebook reel. But let's be honest, when it comes to getting your vehicle repaired, that is just not realistic. You see, oftentimes in these social media experts, they're using a lot of workarounds and they don't have to worry about the safety of a technician or, more importantly, the safety of your family. They might be using non approved methods to fix the vehicle or non approved equipment or even parts. So, Danny, what are your thoughts about these social media, YouTube, Facebook reels about how to fix vehicles?
Yeah, I mean, making a paint job look pretty on camera, I mean, that's the easy part. But these videos are actually giving you a false sense of expectation, a false sense of hope that these cars are easy to fix. I mean, many times these cars were prior salvage vehicles. They were deemed not cost effective to repair by the repair professional and the insurance company. So there's a reason why it went to a salvage yard. These cars are being fixed with recycled parts that have not been tested or approved. They're being attached to the vehicle using, not approved fasteners or, even adhesives. So again, they're just trying to make a car look pretty, but they don't tell you the real story, or you have no idea how that car is fixed correctly. So again, don't trust what you always see online. There's a false sense of expectations that they set, and it's not the right one that as a consumer, we want to purchase any of these vehicles. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.